We're the Salas family, and we're on a round-the-world trip with our 2 kids. We just spent several months in North and South America, made our way to China, and now we're in Japan.
We spent some time in Osaka, Japan's second city, and now we're heading over to Kyoto because we want to see the famous Torii Gates and, of course, find something delicious to eat.
Good morning! We are on our quiet little street and headed to Kyoto to see the famous 1,000 Orange Gates. Hopefully it's an easy train ride, couple transfers, no big deal. We'll figure it out, I guess.
To get to Kyoto, we have to hop a few trains, which is always going to be kind of an adventure, especially when you're abroad, and especially in Japan with the language barrier and with big cultural differences.
Now, we're not Japanese culture experts, but we do know that when you ride the train, etiquette says you should not be talking audibly, your phone should be on silent, your kids should probably be on silent too, and you should not be eating while you're on the train. Which
is a little bit difficult, especially with a rambunctious 2-year-old.
I'd like to be on a trip with Seneca. He will eat for 3 hours straight if you let him.
English. You want a ticket? We got waylaid by snacks. So literally everywhere you go, it seems like there's places to buy beautiful clothes and fluffy white sandwiches and what looks like European bakery. It's everywhere. Octopus. What should we? It's like the prettiest to go I've ever seen. Pinkie pies. Look at this one, comes in a train. So cute. Oh wait, this one comes in a Hello Kitty bullet train.
I just this.
Nice.
I think this is what we want. I'm doing it. Kyoto. Trains. Now we just have to go take a third one for a few minutes, but actually first eat that food we found because Seneca's about to break down. The trouble is, Japanese people don't eat in public, so far as I can tell, and they definitely don't eat while they're walking. So that pretty much takes care of our plan A and B. So we need to find like a broom closet where we can feed our kids. We're just over here breaking all the rules. Savage daughter eating her sandwich. That is a strawberry sandwich. Yesterday we saw a single strawberry for sale for $5, and then we saw a white variety of strawberries for sale for $8. That's a lot of money for one strawberry.
Even though hopping a few trains in Japan might be kind of intimidating, it's really efficient And from the airport, we took a couple of trains and a couple of trains around Osaka.
The trains go everywhere, so if you take one from Kyoto, you can literally get one that stops right in front of the Torii Gates.
You can already see them. This station could not be closer to the gates because look, literally, right there. Behind me! A little special piggy pie for my favorite little piggy. Can you see it? That's a pig, Seneca? Look.
Piggy.
Can you tell that's a pig? What does pig say? Almost to the summit, and every gate is more beautiful than the one before it. I think there are about 1,000 gates, and maybe we've seen most of them by this point. I wish I knew how to read Japanese kanji so I could actually see what the poles are saying. Wow. Cool.
Oh, they're all like companies and stuff. Kyoto East, Article 9 on 10. Kyoto Town through Press, the alley, this town 3.
We are at the top of the summit on our way down. I think it took us about an hour and a half to get up with many, many stops. No snack breaks though, although I was tempted by the $4 ice cream. You have to be careful where you take pictures here because it is, of course, a place of worship, and there are many posted signs where you should not take pictures, and probably some implied as well. Who's in good spirits? Are you laughing, Seneca? What are you laughing at? Oh, Papa? You laughing at Papa? All right, we saw some food and we couldn't resist. It's about to go down, otherwise known as I'm trying to be respectful and sit and eat and not offend the masses. That was an awesome day. Now we're just trying to get back to Osaka. Times 3 trains. After some time revisiting Japan, we're off to Hanoi, Vietnam.
We'll see you there.